Hello world! Meet your new favorite ESL teacher. I am Teacher Kathy, a TEFL certified instructor with Civil Service Professional Level license. I am a Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication graduate and an overseas Filipino worker as nanny in Paris, France for 5 years. Bringing years of childcare experience, I'm taking my passion for language to the classroom. I specialize in making English feel natural and accessible for kids, teens, and adults too. That experience taught me how to make communication natural, patient, and most importantly, fun. If you're looking for a teacher who is energetic, jolly, and dedicated to your success, you've found the right place. Let's start your English journey today. Ready to turn your konnichiwa into brilliant hello? Let's do this. See you soon. Bye.